Okay, fine. So, like people who are there into pharma industry, who are there from pharma industry, I also belong to your family as my career, my professional career started with pharmaceutical industry. My first organization was Phoenicia Biotech, and then I worked there as a medical rep, and then as an area business manager, and then took a switch to training. Could work with few of very good organizations pertaining to training. One was Pyramid Healthcare, and then I took moved to Merck Serono, the oldest existing pharmaceutical organization in the on the earth, and later took a break professionally to help raise my kids, and more time brought a lot of transformation to me. uh, Okay, Industrial University of Kerala. Fine. So the transformation included my studies of law. That included the kind of community work I was into. Then to fund the causes we had started working upon, I started reliving as a trainer, reworking as a trainer. And the recent additions in my training skills have been, first one was Bosch. So I have been part of one of the like Posh workshops with Cadilla, and then the latest one is probably that was Need of Hour, and that had been IWSP and Yoga Pyas and Pranayam and Asanas. So I am really thankful to the universe to have blessed me with so many nice people in life, so many beautiful skill sets, so many beautiful events, so that I can connect with so many people. And the ultimate motive of life is to remain happy and spread happiness. Fine. So today, by the time we would be able to conclude today's session, I mean, ये मेरा छोटा सा introduction था. We'll keep talking about myself and the nice things happen in my life, because they will certainly motivate few of us certainly. So the brief one was here, and by the time we would conclude today's session by 9:45, we would be able to we would be able to work upon to understand the practice of gratitude. Then we would be starting with certain brisk and easy warm-ups, and then we would move to some saral pranayams. I think pertaining to this time slot, these things would be conducted easily for today. Fine. So to start with, without wasting a minute, let us start practicing the practice of gratitude. So gratitude we all know about what it is: being thankful, being in awe, being natmastak, bowed down to maybe the Almighty, the people, the incidences, the nature, the family, the friends, and then the body itself. So each day we will practice of gratitude for about 2, 3, or 5 minutes. For today, what I have chosen was, like, I'll share my experience of being in gratitude with you. Uh, I would share two incidences for today, what for which I feel really grateful and in a lot of gratitude. The first one was pharmaceutical industry. Yeah, I joined pharma industry as a fresh pharmacy graduate, completely raw. I was a student of UP board Hindi medium, बट एकदम टिपिकल जैसा एक गांव होता है, वैसे गांव से पढ़ी हुई लड़की हूँ मैं. इफ एनीबडी ऑफ यू नो अबाउट जौनपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ UP, so I belong to that place. So that raw girl joining pharma industry, which required the basic English nitty-gritties, detailing तो इंग्लिश में ही करनी है. Fine. So though I studied B pharmacy, so उसमें मेरे pharmaceutical के terms जो basics होते हैं, I had a ठीक ठाक understanding of them. And at the same time, the pharma industry and selling is all about the way we convey, we communicate with our customers. And our customers were one of the most elite class, that were doctors. So, friends, the time I joined the industry, I was as raw as my bosses used to give me a comment. My God, when this girl enters in doctor's chamber and when she starts talking, डर लगता है कि डॉक्टर वापस पलट के मार देना लग जाए हमें, क्योंकि इतना मिक्स कर देती थी मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश को कि Sometimes they were like awestruck. तो वो मजे लेते थे मेरे. But then I took it so positively that I started opening both my ears like this and listening to them wholeheartedly. जब वो डॉक्टर चेम्बर में कम्युनिकेट करते थे डॉक्टर्स के साथ में while joint workings, I used to listen to them. And then in the next call, with their permission, I started trying to reciprocate the same what they did in the earlier calls. That was one thing. The second one was during that waiting time, because ये मुझे बहुत खलता था, मतलब small town girl के जैसा बोलने सुनने पे अच्छा नहीं लगता था. So that used to hit me, and I started utilizing my time while waiting in doctor's chamber. जो waiting time होता था, I started reading English newspapers. एंड इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर्स का भी जो वो मसाला पेज होता है दैट एसटी टाइम्स, क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा सा मजा आता है पढ़ने में. अदरवाइज स्टार्टिंग एडिटोरियल से करते तो इट वुड हैव गॉन ऑल बोरिंग. Fine. So for people who are government educated, who are well brought up in complete English medium atmosphere, this might sound and look silly, or might not be that eventful. But for a girl like me, it started turning the pages. People used to ask to my peers, my colleagues, the girl that works in Transgomti area of Lucknow, oh my gosh, she's so arrogant. She doesn't talk to anybody. पर मुझे पता था मुझे क्या करना है, and I started reading and reading and reading. Chetan Bhagat was my first English novel, The 5 Point Someone, जिसपे ये movie बना था, Three Idiots. So this is how the transformation started, and then considering that the bosses started looking into my passion and efforts and sincerity, and they started encouraging me. They started gifting me good books. They started encouraging me with good literature, and that's how जो आगे बढ़ने की ज़ील थी, उसके साथ में आपके साथ बैठ के मैं जो थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश की गिटर पिटर कर पा रही हूँ, it's actually part of that grooming, that professional grooming of the industry. How to dress, how to walk, how to talk, what not to talk, where to hold back. And if I just delete pharmaceutical industry from my life, I can see myself sitting here with you all. So that this is my today's first practice of gratitude. I bow down to pharma industry for grooming me as a professional what I am today. Fine. The second one I would love to share with you. The second practice, the recent addition. Friends, in 2020 July, I survived COVID. Fine. And post that, because I had been following a lot of health practices earlier too, except yoga, dhyana, and pranayama. I could survive physically. At the same time, the mental sanity was on a stake. अच्छी चीजें होती रहती थी सामने एंड करने का मन नहीं करता था, पार्टिसिपेट करने का मन नहीं होता था. लगता था कि हाँ ये अच्छा है, but I didn't feel like participating. So you can call it slight depression. And that was the time in mid of August, IWSP, Integrated Wellness Science and Practices, came in my life, which had taken a shift into my life. And that too is a reason, that too could be a reason how you and I are able to communicate today. IWSP is run through a group of hardcore professionals who feel like giving back to society. It's led by one of the senior monks who is medical superintendent of Ramakrishna Mission हरिद्वार, कंखल हरिद्वार. अगर आप में से कोई रामकृष्ण मिशन हॉस्पिटल को कवर करता है, किसी के भी जुरिस्डिक्शन में आता है, so you must be knowing Swami Dayadeepanand ji, Dr. Shiv Kumar, and Dr. Sushil Sharma. So they turned the life completely, and that's how you would be happy to know that just 10 days ago I survived second phase of COVID. Fine. So this was another thing which I feel like paying a lot of gratitude. The first one was for pharmaceutical industry. The second one is for IWSP, yoga, dhyana, and pranayama. They go with the like ideology of Swami Vivekanand, and Swami Vivekanand always said, first be and then make, be and create. So that's what I'm trying to put as my efforts towards wellness, towards integrated wellness. And that's how we are here today. Am I audible? सबको सुन रहा है? मैं दिख रही हूँ. I can see the faces at least. सिर्फ 12 लोग हैं. तो उतने लोग तो कम से कम दिखेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. And I'm not going to share any PPT, nothing.
I will request everyone to on your video, please. Everyone, I will request, please.
So now,
Ghanshyam ji, please on your video. Naveen ji, please on your video. I would request everyone. I know even madam is aware we all are in office. Some are in work from home.
yeah.
So please, we can on your video. It's
Yeah.
not a boring session, so we can on your video.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ma'am, please carry on.
Yeah. So as we shared that we would first practice of gratitude, and this will happen every day. We'll dedicate the 4 to 5 minutes, 2 minutes of our life every day to pay gratitude to somebody. पिछले एक हफ्ते को विजुलाइज कीजिए आंखें बंद करके. Visualize the last 1 week and just try to find out the faces, the people, the places, the events, the boss, the family, maybe Almighty, maybe a tree, a plant, a flower, any element in this universe, maybe your own body, the way you could survive. Just try to find out in last 1 week, maybe yesterday, day before yesterday, in last week, in a month time, in last 2 months, पिछले एक साल में, that one person, that one element which helped us bring smile on our face, a happy feeling in our heart. I would request you to close down your eyes for a minute's time and just try to recall that person. Trust me, उसको याद करके, उस बंदे को, उस एलिमेंट को याद करके, we would have a smile on our face right now as well. And smiling is essential these days and always. So can we do that for a minute? Slowly, आराम से, we will certainly find in our hustle bustle lifestyle, in our day to day bhaga bhagi, we just easily tend to forget the people, the elements who have done knowingly or unknowingly something good in our lives to make us happy, to make us cheerful. So let's be in gratitude for all those people, places, elements, nature, tree, plant, flowers, birds. If we can just visualize, if we can listen the chirping of the birds when we wake up in the morning, that is a beautiful greeting from God, from Mother Nature. How soothing is that, right? That is right, no? The beautiful chirping voice coming in our ear. Waking up in the morning, finding a beautiful, positive energy affirmation through a friend in a group or in person. A beautiful comedy video shared by any of the friends in a group. In our tough times, somebody calling us up and saying, I'm there for you. चलो ना चाय पीने चलते हैं. Brings a smile. Just try to focus on the deeds, the acts of kindness people have done for making our lives better. The family members, our wives, our husbands, our kids, our parents, our relatives, we all create a society together. Preparing a cup of tea, preparing a good dish, doing dishes by husband, doing helping in house help course by different family members during this challenging times. I'm sure you'll get not one, two, three, four, but multiple such events. We just have to focus on them. Being grateful is magical. Being grateful is magical. Fine. So for today, the practice of gratitude, यही पे conclude करते हैं. And every day, I would request, हम अभी तो एक हफ्ते लगातार practice करेंगे. And otherwise also, I would request कि जो भी event हो रहा है life में, थोड़ा consciously practice करना पड़ता है. Let's find out that what good is in it for me. Is it in form of goodness? Is it in form of learning? Fine. So now we will move towards our today's practice of yoga abhyas. So because we are running, I mean, in want of time, it is already 9:41. So can we take it till 9:50, Ellen?
Absolutely okay. Absolutely okay.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Because so I would request you all to stand up at the places. आप जहाँ पे भी हैं, ऑफिस में भी हैं, तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You can just stand up because we would practice the slight warm up. You can see me. Abhi these days we don't have to move out because people are saying that the virus is there, spread in the air also. So हमें अगर हम अपने घर में भी हैं, हमें किसी वॉक पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें किसी जॉगिंग पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. We can warm up our bodies by doing the jogging. So जैसे हम jogging running करते हैं, we will stand still at a place and do this. Breathe in, breathe out. So for the beginners, do it slowly. If you have not practiced in years together, if you have not practiced in last 1 week or 2 weeks or a month time, we could not go out and we could not walk. Do it slowly. Just focus on the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. The long, beautiful breaths. Breathing in, breathing out. One more beautiful thing. While breathing in, we would breathe in, inhale gratitude, love, ease, laughter, happiness. While breathing in, we would practice all the goodness of the universe. Do it easily, आराम से. Though we say गति में शक्ति है, पर वो गति लाने के लिए बॉडी के साथ काइंड होके, then we have to move further. So I said we are breathing in goodness, we are breathing in love, laughter, empathy, wellness, kindness, and when we are breathing out, we would exhale all the pains, all the sufferings, all the bad thoughts coming in, all the fears from life. Fear is more infectious than virus. We all have experienced it, right? So while we are breathing in goodness, kindness, love, empathy, wellness, all the good deeds, the gratitude. We are inhaling gratitude. We are exhaling pain, suffering, illness, bad thoughts, and fear. Just visualize. Focus on the breath. Inhale goodness. Exhale fear. Inhale love. Exhale hate. Fine. So this is the yogic jogging. आराम से अपने ऑफिस में whenever you feel little frustrated, oh अभी मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है, थोड़ी अंगड़ाई ली ऐसे उठे and उठ के you have not to do this fast. ये आपको तब करना है जब एक हफ्ते बाद हम काफी प्रैक्टिस कर चुके होंगे. Fine. So we have to inhale goodness, exhale all the bad thoughts. Fine. So this one was yogic jogging. One more small, brisk and very easy warm up. People who have got all the good condition, good health conditions, मतलब किसी को knees में pain अगर हो, वो please avoid it. किसी को heart की problem है, उनको लगता है कि jump करने में problem हो सकती है, first consult your doctor and then only do. So this is free hand exercise. I'll show. We have to breathe in and separate our legs. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. This is another warm-up exercise. This is called as free hand exercise. So we have practiced two warm-up exercises. First one was yogic jogging, and the second one we have practiced was free hand exercise. Do it with ease. Be kind to your body, not because Manjari has said, so एकदम से आधे घंटे करना शुरू कर दिया पहले दिन. Be kind to your body. So after this warm up is done, our body is ready to breathe more oxygen. Breathe in more oxygen and exhale more of carbon dioxide. We are almost ready to practice some pranayams. Are we ready to practice the pranayams? So what are the pranayams? Pran means Jivan, life. And Vyayam ka yam and Pran milke banta hai pranayam. So what is Pran Vayu? That is oxygen. And what to do to bring that Pran Vayu more in our body, more in our lungs, to transfer more of the oxygen in our heart so that it can circulate the oxygen well in more capacity along with blood. More pure oxygen running in our veins, in our arteries, taking a lot of carbon dioxide out through our veins. So that is possible through pranayam, friends. During these times, it's very, very important to take care of our two very vital organs. First one is lungs. Lungs की capacity के बारे में everybody is knowing that it is COVID is infecting it on a very high state, on a very high level. Fine. And at the same time, which is slightly known with the medical fraternity itself, because बहुत सारी studies अभी तक COVID में हो नहीं पाई हैं. At the same time, whatever studies are available, practically done, clinically done, उसमें ये देखा जा रहा है that COVID has evolved as a systemic disease. It's causing hypercoagulation in the blood vessels. So जब blood vessels में coagulation होता है, clotting हो जाती है, उसकी वजह से the movement to like blood supply is disturbed, and that's how the cardiac arrest is happening. I'm sure many of us might have come through certain cases जहाँ पे COVID की report negative आ गई, but the person has died because of cardiac arrest. So why to let that situation come in life? We can practice pranayam, and trust me, if you are at home, even if you are at office, tomorrow onwards you can carry an oximeter with you. Trust me, put your oximeter like this, and if you are having a surface, put your hands like this. Fine. With oximeter, मतलब oximeter लगा के ऐसे नहीं खड़ा होना है. It is a device. It has its own limitations. So put your hands equipped with the oximeter and then practice pranayam. I'm sure you will experience the saturation level, oxygen saturation level will automatically increase while we have been doing the pranayams. So imagine अगर हम 1 मिनट के लिए प्राणायाम कर रहे हैं, अगर आपके में किसी के पास घर पे है तो you can experience it right away while we will practice pranayams. Fine. So with this, let us start with the pranayams. The first pranayam for today we will take is Bhramari. This is a pranayam which is very good for people surviving hypertension and other stress related issues, insomnia even. Fine. So in Bhramari, the name is the nomenclature happened in name of Bhavra. संस्कृत में भावरे को भ्रमर बोलते हैं और भ्रमर जैसी ही आवाज निकलती है. भंवरा कैसे बोलते हैं? हम लोग गुनगुनाना बोलते हैं भंवरे को. फाइन. सो वो जो गुनगुनाने की हमिंग साउंड होती है, दैट इज नोन एज भ्रामरी. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस pranayam we practice the humming sound of bhavra. So we have to take these 3 fingers and the thumb. Let's put the middle finger on the eyes. Close the eyes. The index finger on the forehead. The ring fingers on the rays of the origin of the nostrils. And we would close our ears through our thumbs like this. Fine. Could you see that? Yes, very perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Do it like this. Yeah. So we have closed our eyes through our middle finger. We are putting our index finger on our forehead. We are putting our ring fingers on the origin of the nostrils and closing the ear pinnas through our thumbs. And we have to breathe in a long, deep breath. So we are inhaling, and while exhaling, that humming sound will come out automatically. Keep a smile on your face. You will feel good about you. Inhale gratitude, a deep gratitude within. Pump your lungs with beautiful gratitude memories. And while exhaling, exhale all the pain, sufferings, and illness. राशिद सर आईज को भी क्लोज करना था. Eyes have to be closed by your middle finger. Middle finger, these ones. यहाँ. The index finger से forehead को, and the ring fingers, they touch the origin of our nostrils. These are actually few acupuncture points. So along with pranayama, they help us press the nerves and like blood vessels as well. And we would close our ears through our thumb, like this. Close your eyes, put a smile, beautiful smile on your face, and breathe in the gratitude, the wellness, the kindness, the oneness, the love, empathy. And take a deep breath with all these feelings. And when we are exhaling fears. We are exhaling pain. We are exhaling illness. Throwing them out of the body. So in this process, we inhale, fine, and the humming sound when it comes out, that itself is exhaling. So we are exhaling, we are taking that sound of Brahmari, Bhavra, as I explained earlier. And trust me, the moment you will feel, you find yourself frustrated, बॉस से झगड़ा हो गया, बीवी से झगड़ा हो गया, बच्चों से कुछ दिक्कत हो गई, अड़ोस पड़ोस में कुछ ऐसी खबर सुन ली, and there are times, these had been times where अच्छे लोगों की हवा खराब हो जाती है. So at times हमें क्या करना है? We have to live, no? We have to live for more years with all the sanity. Just close your eyes like this and practice Bhramri. Take a deep breath in. Fine. एक और फायदा है बहुत स्मार्ट सा. अगर घर में स्पाउस कुछ खटपट करते हैं, हस्बैंड वाइफ्स, है ना, तुरंत भ्रामरी करना शुरू कर दो. You will not be able to listen to whatever बकबक they are doing, है ना. और जब गलत चीजें जाएंगी नहीं काम में, मतलब ऐसी चीजें जो इरिटेट करती हैं, तो हम वापस बोलेंगे नहीं. Just tell your spouse, oh my God, मैं ना भ्रामरी करना है. अभी अचानक से याद आ गया. Some yoga instructor has shared that. Good one, no? It was on the lighter note. So, oh my God, it's already 9:57. So, Ellen, can I take 2-3 more minutes, or we should conclude it today?
I am okay. If these people are okay, I am absolutely okay.
I can see.
If everyone is okay, please raise your hands. Everyone is okay? Perfect. Ma'am, please go ahead.
Thank you so much. So, the next one we would practice. मुझे लगता है कि आप में से maximum लोगों ने सुना होगा about अनुलोम and विलोम. अनुलोम विलोम सबने सुना है? सुना तो होगा ही, प्रैक्टिस किया हो या ना किया हो. It's अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं इसको alternative nasal breathing. In general, एक नॉस्ट्रिल को क्लोज करके दूसरे नॉस्ट्रिल से ब्रीथ इन करते हैं. फिर जिस नॉस्ट्रिल से ब्रीथ इन किया है, उस नॉस्ट्रिल को क्लोज करके दूसरे नॉस्ट्रिल से ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं. Then again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, doable. एक हाथ से one finger, one nostril closed, the other nostril inhales. Inhales goodness, kindness, love, pampering, empathy, joy, happiness, and then From the second nostril, we are exhaling our pains, fears, bad news, anything ugly in life. For practicing Anulom Vilom, we must keep in mind that our nostrils, nasal passage should be clear. So अगर किसी को प्रैक्टिस करते समय लगता है कि अभी प्रैक्टिस करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है या क्लियर पैसेज नहीं हो रहा है, so just go and wash your nose and clear the passage and then do it again. So this is a pranayama which helps us increase the lungs capacity. Along with that, it has one more very beautiful function to do. On the back of our neck, we have got two invisible nadis. People who are knowers of nadi knowledge, science, they know that there are two invisible nadis on the back of our neck. They are called as Ida and Pingla. So while doing Anulom Vilom, we are giving a balance to both of these nadis. And बीच में center में जहां पे हमारी spinal cord होती है, there is third nadi that is called Sushumna. So the very beautiful balance to these two nadis, and they result in alignment of Sushumna nadi. That is again a very beautiful result of doing Anulom Vilom. Again, you feel frustrated किसी बात पे, टारगेट्स को लेके, अचीवमेंट्स को लेके, टीम के साथ में, रिक्रूटमेंट्स को लेके, for HR functions, for employee engagement, for family, for spouse, for relatives, for anybody, for stockist, we feel frustrated and puzzled at times. और हाँ ये पता है कि हमें इसके साथ उलझना भी नहीं है. Sometimes, I mean, as it is said, boss is always right. बहुत क्या कर लेंगे लड़के बॉस से, लेकिन कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो सुनने पे गुस्सा दिलाती हैं. So just to settle down ourselves, just to calm down ourselves, एक कोने में जाना है. And it would be gone. किसी को ऑक्सीजन लेवल सुनने को मिला, it has gone down from 90, it has gone down till 80. Trust me, there had been cases who have generously followed with all the faith is very important, who have generously followed the pranayams with faith, their oxygen levels, saturation levels have increased dramatically, beautifully, and they are living a very beautiful life. This was one of the factors that motivated me to circulate the knowledge of pranayama, the skill of pranayama with more number of people, as I myself had been a survivor. आप मुझे देख के इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि मुझे 9th से 10th अप्रैल को फीवर आना स्टार्ट हुआ था कोविड का. I don't think you can make it out from my face. And that's all because of these beautiful pranayamas. The good practices we practice in IWSP, उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट डाइट भी था, complete plant based diet. So though I'm a vegetarian, hardcore vegetarian, मतलब मैं अंडा भी नहीं खाती हूँ और अंडे वाला केक भी नहीं खाती हूँ, because there are many kind of vegetarians as well. Fine. So despite being a vegetarian, I'm a big foodie. अभी तक भी इस विधा पे, इस फील्ड पे मेरे लिए काम करना पाना बाकी है. हो सकता है धीरे धीरे वो अवेयरनेस भी, वो बॉडी का अलाइनमेंट भी बन ही जाए आने वाले टाइम में. At the same time, that just one part, that yoga, pranayama and dhyan, that itself is an industry, friends. They helped me so beautifully, and because I belong to this industry, the pharmaceutical industry that grew me up as a professional, that groomed me as a professional, I just feel indebted. I feel that it is my responsibility. It's my humble responsibility to make as many lives happy as my body can do, as my skills can do. And that's how I'm here. This was just a random thought. So now for today, we will conclude with the practices we share. We started with my introduction. We'll keep talking. I'm very talkative. That also helped me a lot in establishing myself in pharma industry. मुझे अच्छा लगता है लोगों के साथ बातें करना. मतलब मैं रिक्शे वालों के साथ भी, ठेकेदारों के साथ भी, मिस्त्री के साथ भी, डेली वेजेस लेबर्स के साथ भी, and obviously corporate tycoons के साथ भी, industries के साथ भी. I love to interact with people. So that enriches me. वो मेरे फायदे के लिए है. And like we will keep talking every day. If you enjoyed the session, if I could engage you, if whatever expectations you had and with that you joined and they are fulfilled, we will talk every day about myself, my journey. I would love to listen few of yours journey. सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा बताने के लिए 100% होता है. Then we will practice gratitude every day. And उसके बाद we could learn the yogic jogging, जिसके लिए हमें कहीं बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Stand at a place. सिर्फ जितनी बड़ी हमारी बॉडी है, हम वो कितने भी फिट के हैं, कितने भी इंचेस के हैं, सिर्फ उतनी स्पेस चाहिए. And we can do like this. Yogic jogging is in free hand exercise. We practice that. In pranayamas, we started with Bhramari. In any kind of a stress condition, do it. Do it today. Do it in the afternoon. Do it in the evening. Do it while you're going to bed. आपको नींद नहीं आ रही है. कुछ इतने सारे न्यूज सुने, न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखा, अगल बगल से न्यूज आई. You didn't feel like sleeping. Practice it. Bhramari. 5 minutes. Done. And then we practiced Anulom Vilom. Breathe in the goodness. Breathe in the goodness, kindness, love, affection, empathy. And breathe out. Exhale the pain, suffering. Bad thoughts, anything ugly came to mind. This is all we could do today. And with this, I would be very, very thanks. I would pay my thanks to you. I would bow down in gratitude to you all for being so patient with me, for doing with me, for practicing with me. And though we are just 10 people, 10 participants here, I consider them as 10 families. Let's make these practices as family rituals. मजा तभी आता है. Otherwise बीवी बोलेगी, ओ ये क्या लेके बैठ जाते हैं सुबह सुबह, आवाज निकालते रहते. जब मैं कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बोलना है, पर इनका वो हमिंग साउंड स्टार्ट हो जाता है, भ्रामरी स्टार्ट हो जाता है. So let us practice these good habits, good deeds as family rituals. धीरे धीरे होगा करने से. It is usually said that our subconscious mind takes 21 days, 30 days to imbibe a new practice. So I'm very sure we would be able to do that together. Can I have your promise? Thank you. So let us conclude it for today. Ellen, thank you for extending the session for more than 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, it's already 25 minutes. So I'll take your leave. Thank you. Ellen?